this project again. This for 0.2, this point 0.6, this for 4.5. I'm so surprised looking at the volume with this only 3 NFTs. Um, Last sale was 2 months ago, 9 months. So there, yeah, sales are going on. There are a lot of sales. It's around 2.6 always, around 2.6. For the white one, and for this one, it's around 0.63. So like 0.67. Then it sold for loss actually. Okay, this guy did profit very little, maybe $100. So yeah, that's how it works. Like buy low and sell on high, and you make money. But yeah, what most of the people does is buy high and sell lows. So yeah, so yeah, but you can actually do your some research before investing on some projects. So yeah, there we'll check out the next one, which is check birds, which is a 6969 collection. I'm loving the numbers right here. Creator earning also 6.9%. Very nice. Total volume is 69 Ethereum. That's something unique. Cause you can't fix that yourself. Holy shit. I love to see here also 69%. So activity, there's lots of sales going on. 0.1, 0.01. Oh. So the normal price around $20, but this was something like had something unique, I guess. So yeah, there's also rarity in NFTs. You can check out those too. Yeah, there is one rarity rank. This is like 5015 out of 6969 collection, and you can actually go to the link and see and read everything. There, if you click on the NFT, there you can see their attributes by JJ, and there you can see the properties like the body. 2% have this trait, and 19% have this trait, the blue tux. So it's just like not very rare. That's like common one around, because a lot of people having the same attributes. So there